Welcome to Meyer Outdoors.
And on this episode, we're going to do an unboxing of the LWRC IC DI. They used almost every letter in the alphabet to name this rifle.
That's right. Let's get to it.
Let's get this box opened up. All right, inside you've got operator's manual. Of course, you got the rifle itself, and it does ship with one Magpul PMag.
We're gonna go over some of the features that comes with the LWRC DI. This thing is unloaded, has a chamber flag. Don't be scared. We're gonna start from the back end to the front. First, we're going with the butt stock. Looks like their proprietary butt stock that they make, LWRC. Might be wrong, but 6-position stock. Nice, plenty of adjustment. Comes with their grip here. Really nice. It's got some texture on it. The LWRC comes with a ambi charging handle. It's a good feature. By the way, everything on this gun is ambi. Ambi safety, both sides, you can see. Ambi mag release, right there as well. And an ambi paddle, both sides. Very nice. It also comes with this monolithic rail system. This isn't your standard mil-spec upper. It looks like it comes all the way out to here. And it comes with a some rail sections and a hand stop of some sort, looks like, with a QD mount on the back. And that helical barrel, that thing looks nice. I like that. Very nice.
And he made mention that this rifle has an ambi mag release. So let's try that out with a variety of different mags. We have just your standard aluminum body GI mag. Okay, that one fits. You got your Magpul mag, works just fine. Another Magpul mag. Okay. Got the big boy, the Surefire. Okay, she works good. And also the Magpul drum. Hard to get my hands around that one. Yeah, she goes in there and releases just fine with that ambi control. Kind of a neat little feature. Something you don't see on just your standard everyday rifle.
Go into the guts of this rifle. It does feature a 16.1-inch barrel. Didn't mention that earlier, but it comes with an A2 flash ender. The bolt carrier group has some kind of coating on it. Not too sure what it is, but it's not your standard phosphate, that's for sure. Real nice feature, real nice. From the factory, it comes with an H2 buffer. That's a nice feature as well. Has some kind of AccuEdge in there to stop the upper and lower from moving around. And the trigger is coated, what I believe is in the same thing on the bolt carrier group. Real nice feature there. This thing is solid, built like a tank. But this is a really nice trigger, folks. There's no creep in it. There's no slop in it or anything. It's just really nice.
Well, to wrap up this unboxing video, so far I really like this gun. I like all the features they packed into it, and I just wanted a reliable gun from a reputable company like LWRC. The price, it's not the cheapest gun out of there. This came in at the stimulating price of $1,400. But my uncle just happened to give me a $1,400 check, so it worked out just perfect. Anyways, guys, that's all I have really for you on this. Stay tuned. When we get the ammo and the time, we're going to take it to the range and do a full review over this gun. So thanks for watching. We appreciate all the subscriptions lately, and we'll see you next time on Meyer Outdoors.